A young man born after the year 2000 was very bold. He took the 100,000 yuan down payment his father gave him for the Ito M9 and used it to fully purchase this rusty, battle-damaged old Prado. He even planned to use all his savings to completely refurbish it. His furious father saw the refurbished result and was so happy that he directly bought the M9 in full to exchange with him. Let's take a look at the final result. Because this Prado was a lucky find, the young man was worried there might be an issue with the engine, so he insisted we separate the chassis for inspection. After separating the chassis, it was clear the previous owner often drove on sand as the frame was covered with sand marks. After discussing with the young man to make his dad love this Prado, he decided to pay out of pocket to restore the entire chassis to factory settings. After removing all the attachments from the beam, first clean it to check the condition of the beam under the dirt. Once cleaned, you can see the rust spots on the beam, so it seems a thorough rust removal is unavoidable. Use laser rust removal on all the beam attachments and the beam itself.
After the thorough repair is completed, immediately apply powder coating for rust prevention. Let it run for another 10 or 8 years, no problem. Then reassemble the refurbished beam attachments back to the main.
Because the previous owner often went dune bashing, the engine definitely needs a thorough check. When the engine